Good evening, Professor and classmates. Hi, I'm Sharon, and I just want to bring out some points to you what I've learned this far in public speaking. First of all, it is a form of communication, another form of communication that I have learned. And then with other speeches, I have learned the difference between informational speeches and persuasive speeches, and which are facts of the topic that a speaker would speak. And as far as persuasive, you would try to persuade the audience to the information that you are providing through a speech. I also learned, in which I am very still anxious right now, the facts of anxiety when it comes to speaking. But I'm trying to learn that, continuing to learn that I need to take my time, I need to breathe, I need to think positive, and I also need to make sure that I do know that my audience is on my side. Along with that, I also know that I have to be a good listener as far as my audience. And along with that, as far as delivering the message or the speech, I'm sorry, that I also need to take my time, rehearse. I have learned so much, and I think everything is just the anxiety is working right about now. But I have learned this far so much in just public speaking, along with just being patient, being positive, slowing down, and bringing forth the speech. Thank you.